Everyone wants to make their first million, but here's the truth. Most people never do, and it's not just because they don't have enough cash. Today we're breaking down the real reasons why hitting that first million is so rare, and what you can do differently to change the game. Everyone wants to make their first million, but here's the truth, most people never do. And it's not just because they don't have enough cash. Today, we're breaking down the real reasons why hitting that first million is so rare, and what you can do differently to change the game. If you think it's about luck, inheritance, or some big business idea, you're only half right. The real reasons are much deeper, and they have more to do with mindset, habits, and systems than money itself. The real reasons are much deeper, and they have more to do with mindset, habits, and systems than money itself. The first roadblock? Mindset. Most people don't actually believe they can make a million. They see it as something for the lucky few, instead of something that can be built step by step. If your brain already tells you it's impossible, you won't even start. Or you'll quit at the first obstacle. Mindset is built by small wins and consistent action. You don't need to believe in overnight miracles. You need repeatable habits. Start with belief, back it with tiny actions, and let compound progress do the rest. Second, most people don't have a clear plan. They work harder, not smarter. They save what's left over instead of building systems that grow money automatically. Wealth requires direction, investing, leveraging skills, building assets, not just trading time for money. Build systems that move money automatically, automation, recurring investments, and scalable products. Leverage skills into products or services that scale beyond hourly work. Work becomes replicated income when you design systems. Start there. Make a clear plan and automate the parts you can. Direction beats hustle every time. Here's a big one. Lifestyle creep. As income goes up, expenses rise even faster. That extra cash disappears into a bigger apartment, a nicer car, or nights out. Millionaires don't just earn more, they keep more by controlling lifestyle inflation and putting their money to work. They prioritize investments and assets over status purchases. Control your outflow so inflow actually compounds. Quick tip: automate savings increases with every raise. Don't let your lifestyle catch up. Make the raise mean more net worth, not more monthly bills. Small choices compound into big wealth. The fourth reason? Lack of patience. Most people chase shortcuts, lottery tickets, get-rich-quick schemes, or crypto pumps, and end up back at zero. Real wealth comes from consistency, not sudden wins. Monthly contributions, index exposure, compound returns, these need time. Business growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Frame your goals in years, not days. Be patient, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Short-term noise is normal. Stick to the plan. Finally, environment. If you're surrounded by people who don't believe in growth, you'll stay stuck. Millionaires usually have networks, mentors, or communities that push them further. You can't grow beyond the mindset of the people you hang around with. Find peers who push you, mentors who critique you, and communities that lift you up. Curate your environment, both online and in real life. Start small, join one group, attend one event, reach out to one mentor. Replace limiting influences with growth-minded people and you'll accelerate faster. So why do most people never hit their first million? It's not just about the cash, mindset, clarity, patience, discipline, and the right environment. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button so more people can see it. And if you're serious about building wealth, subscribe for weekly strategies that help you think bigger, earn smarter, and grow faster. Your first million starts with one decision. Are you in?